Winter is the perfect time to enjoy exciting outdoor activities. But the names of different winter sports can be confusing for beginners. For example, what's the difference between skiing and snowboarding, or ice skating and sledding? They all involve snow or ice, but each sport is unique in its own way. Let's explore these fun winter activities and learn what makes each one special. Winter sports. Skiing and snowboarding. Skiing uses 2 skis to glide down snowy slopes, while snowboarding uses a single board. Both are popular for solo fun or with friends. Difference: skiing has 2 separate boards. Skis, while snowboarding uses 1 board for both feet. Ice skating. Moving gracefully on ice with special shoes that have thin metal blades. It's often done in rinks, alone, or with friends. Difference: done on ice, focusing on balance and smooth movements rather than slopes. Snowshoeing, walking on deep snow using flat, wide shoes that stop you from sinking. Ideal for solo or peaceful group hikes. Difference: focuses on hiking and exploring snowy landscapes, not sliding or fast movement. Cross-country skiing, a type of skiing where you move across flat or gently hilly snowy areas using long skis and poles. Usually enjoyed alone or with 1 or 2 people. Difference: it's about endurance and exploring long distances on flat snow, not downhill thrills. Sledding and tobogganing, sitting or lying on a sled and sliding down snowy hills for fun. Best with family or friends in groups. Difference: it's simple, playful, and doesn't require much skill or equipment. Winter biking, riding a bike with thick tires on snowy trails or roads, often done solo or with a small group. Difference: it's like cycling but adapted for snowy conditions and not as fast-paced as skiing or snowboarding. Staying active in winter is exciting, but it's important to keep safety in mind while enjoying these sports. Here are some essential safety tips to help you stay safe and make the most of your winter adventures. Warm up and cool down. Prevent injuries by loosening muscles and preparing your body for activity. Layer properly. Use moisture-wicking fabrics close to your skin and thermal layers to stay warm. Hydration. Cold weather can mask dehydration, so drink plenty of fluids. Protective gear. Helmets, goggles, and proper footwear are crucial for safety in sports. Weather check. Avoid workouts in extreme conditions or unsafe terrains. Conversation practice. Winter is here. I just love how the snow makes everything look so magical. It's like a fairy tale. Me too. And we can even go skiing. Skiing? Isn't that, really dangerous? I was just thinking of taking pretty pictures in the snow and maybe building a snowman. Oh, come on, skiing is amazing. It's not just about the fun, although that part is awesome. It actually helps you improve your balance, strengthen your legs, and boost your coordination. And what about falling? Won't I end up flat on my back with my legs in the air, or worse, rolling head over heels? Ha ha ha! Okay, fine. You might fall a couple of times at first, but once you get the hang of it, it feels like you're flying down the mountain. The wind in your face, the adrenaline. It's like being in an action movie. An action movie where the lead actress trips over her skis and tumbles into a snowbank. Exactly. But then she gets up, looks epic, and conquers the slopes like a pro. You'd love it, trust me. Well, you're definitely making it sound tempting. Maybe after my snowman photo shoot, I'll give it a try, as long as you promise to catch me when I fall. Deal! But spoiler alert, you'll be so good you won't need me. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.